Welcome to my blog. Today's topic is cheeseburger casserole. It's quick and easy to make. Preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a skillet, brown 1 pound hamburger, 1 finely chopped onion, and 2 minced garlic cloves. Mix and add to the baking dish or casserole dish the browned hamburger, 1 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup diced pickles, 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, drained, 2 tablespoons mustard, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. Mix it together. Add 6 ounces cheddar cheese on top. Put in the oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes, and you got a great meal.